Same old story from the Lakers clubhouse. Another game, another 40-point performance from Kobe Bryant, his 16th of the season, as the Lakers attempt to cling on to Superman's cape as they fly into the playoffs.
As a leader of this team, they look to me to make decisions and make plays and try to make the right one. So, I take that to heart and I try to come through for us.
Along with a new number, a beginning of a new phase in his basketball career. In his 11th season, Kobe Bryant may just be beginning to play his best basketball yet.
I'm very fortunate because I've seen a lot, I've been through a lot, had many battles on the basketball floor, and to still be young and now have the responsibility of leading the team. I can speak from a lot of years of experience.
With the new scoring records comes the comparisons to NBA greats such as Michael Jordan, something that Bryant says he really doesn't pay too much attention to.
For me to sit here and contemplate being on a level with Jordan or anybody else is silly because, I owe a lot of my game to him and to the other guys. I still call him and ask him for advice.
Bryant feels that no matter how many points he scores, that the focus should be on the team as a whole, something he feels is vital to their playoff success.
We had 5 games here where I caught fire and was able to carry us for 5 games. Now we have to kind of build the confidence of everybody else and get them back in rhythm. So I've been looking for them through double teams and them in turn having to take the responsibility of stepping up and making the correct plays.